a1 means we have to put 1 at the place of n, so 1 1 1, and this will give us 1 minus 1, 2 by 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 by 1, that is 2 by 3. Now a2 means we have to put n equals to 2, so 2 2 here 2 here 2, and doing so we get 1 plus 1 2a square plus 1 minus 1 3a square, 2 by 2a square. You see that the only change is in minus, here minus in the first, and in the first here you see plus, so this will go alternatively. So a3 will be again 1 minus 1, the same pattern, 2 to the power 3 because here is 3, 1 plus 1 3 power 3, and this will be 2 by 3 to the power 3. a2 will be 1 plus 1, sorry, a4 2 to the power 4 4 4 plus 1 minus 1 3 to the power 4, here will be 2 to the power 4. Now summation will be sum of these terms and sum of these terms. So let us get sum of these terms. a3 a1 plus a3 plus a5 to infinity, and this will be, here you see x to the power n, so we have to here put x cube, x to the power 5, and so on. So sum of this term will be 2, here you see 2 in all, 2, 1 by 3x plus 1 by 3 to the power 3 x cube plus 1 in the same way 3 pi plus to infinity, and here you also see the same thing 2. So summation, here will be 2 2a square x square plus 2 2 to the power 4 x ka power 4 plus infinity. Here we can take 2 out, so inside will be 1 by 2a square x square plus 1 by 2 to the power 4 x4, and so on. You see we have to find about x equal to 0. So near x equal to 0 we can use the formula of sum of infinite geometric series. So this will be 2 1 by 3, or we have to find the here radius of convergence. So let us take the general term. The general term here will be, in this will be 1 by 3 to the power 2n plus 1 or 2n minus 1 into x 2n minus 1, and here the general term will be 1 by 3 to the power 2n x to the power 2n. Suppose this is an and this is bn. Now using Cauchy root test, when 1 by n lt n tends to infinity, then this will be 1 by 3 square x square, and here bn 1 by n lt n tends to infinity, this will be 1 by 3 square x square, and to be convergent this should be less than 1, also this should be less than 1. From here we get x is less than 3, and from here will be 2, because you see 2, and from this we get x less than 2. So if we take common interval in both intersection, intersection of these two will be mod x less than 2. So radius of convergence r is 2. So 2 is the right answer.